I have with me Chairman of HAL, Mr. R. Madhavan. Sir, thank you for speaking to us. It's a big day for you, LCH finally being handed over to the Indian Air Force. If you can just tell us what is the significance of an LCH. We remember last year it was also deployed in Ladakh as part of trials.
Yes, it has been deployed last year as a user trial during the period when we had a standoff with China also. So it has operated well. It can carry its load in that altitudes, which is a very difficult terrain to operate in. And this will definitely prove to be a very important and successful product for us as well as for the Air Force and Army to use on that.
So the fact that this is the first combat helicopter of this kind can operate at heights up to 16,000 feet with payloads. What big impact do you think it's going to make for the armed forces?
Definitely, because there is no such helicopter as of now of this weight category with our armed forces. So this is the first helicopter in that weight category as well as capabilities that we are talking about. And the advantage, of course, is that since it is an Indian helicopter, later on, as and when the armed forces decide on any other weapon system, it can be integrated very smoothly and easily onto the helicopter.
So 40 of these have been cleared by DAC.
15 are cleared.
So how many are you going to, in time to come, how many are you going to...
We are looking at a total order of around 150 plus.
150 plus, and
yeah.
Any time period?
It depends on the order book.
Depends right now you've got 15 orders.
Yeah, if 15 is there, I can finish in a year's time.
So 15 can be handed over in a year's time to any of the forces.
Yeah.
So coming to LCA Tejas, if you can tell us what is the status of the Mark 1A, and then obviously...
The Mark 1A, we have got the order last year during the Aero India show. So after that, we have started work on that. We are supposed to deliver the first one in T0 plus 36, inclusive of the design. So the design activities is already going on, and by next year middle, we plan to fly the first prototype of this configuration, that is 1A configuration, and we are sure that we can finish the testing before the deadline. And the production also is parallelly going on. So we will be delivering on this one, March 2024, the first aircraft.
March 2024, first Mark 1A.
Yeah, that is T0 plus 36 happens to be that time.
Thank you for speaking to us.